Hi there, so today's do-it-yourself project is super easy. It's like literally changing a light bulb. And I mean, I don't know why I doubted myself. 2 of these bulbs burned out like, I don't know, a year or 2 ago. And I was too intimidated to even try to replace them because it's like, well, those are bigger than regular bulbs. I can't do that myself. Crazy. All I had to do was take one of the bulbs out and bring it to the store and get one that matched. So that's what I did. So now I've just got to, I mean, no matter how unhandy, which is not a word, but no matter how unhandy you think you are, anyone can change a light bulb. So now normally the bulb will have on it somewhere what wattage it is, and there's a thing on top of any light fixture that will tell you like what the maximum is, because you don't want to get the wrong wattage or something, otherwise okay. So I got new ones to match, and hopefully, I'm assuming they're going to work. I'm going to do this with one hand. Okay, so I'm going to just turn off this light for a second, because while I'm putting them in, like literally, I avoided this for a year. I didn't even trust myself to change light bulbs because I didn't have confidence in myself to do things. But now I've been going to therapy and learning coping strategies, how to manage stress and how to deal with the things that you can't control, which are most things. And then the things that you can control, you can do something about. I finally changed my bulbs, and see, now I've got all my lights lit up. And I did it, and it's super easy. So you can change your bathroom lighting fixtures even if they're not a regular bulb. Like, just take a bulb to the store, try not to break it on the way, and just look for one that matches. Make sure it's the right wattage, and there you go. Let there be light. This was an easy project. Thank you.